Here we have the Hamilton Beach 5-in-1 Flex Brew. We have moved the reservoir from the side to the back to accommodate narrow spaces. Now we have filled the receptacle for a single cup with some freshly ground coffee, and we're going to close the top here, and what we're going to do is we're going to put this on here, and we are going to put the top down, and we are going to brew a single cup. We're going to choose 8, 10, 12, or 14 ounces, and we're going to choose 8 ounces. We're going to put our nice warmed cup up there underneath, and we're going to choose bold by clicking the selector button from regular to bold, and we are going to press the button, and lo and behold, we are going to get, in short order, a wonderfully brewed, flavorful, aromatic, amazing cup of coffee. Here it comes. Look how wonderful that looks on that very narrow space with the water reservoir moved to the back, and then there is our carafe if we want to brew a large pot of coffee. And there comes our coffee, and it is absolutely wonderful. There it goes. Still brewing.